First day back to work. Feeling good. Me and Miley out here washing the truck, getting it all rinsed off. Hold on. Yeah. Oh man, we got over this little COVID thing. Feeling good now. Back to work. My wife ain't back to work yet. She get her little test today. Spray the back of the truck. Yeah, we out here washing. Go ahead. Go ahead. Got it? Mm-hmm. All right. Get our little cleaning stuff. I'm gonna show you what we about to use. About to use some of this Armor All wax. We were gonna use this tire shine. I think I'm gonna mix it up because I seen somebody mix with the gel. Tire weight gel. This is my first time about to use this. Got the applicator with it and everything. My other applicator got messed up, so I'm glad I got a new one with this. Scrub the wheels. Got another wheel scrubber. I use this to get in between the everything. You done? Yeah. Okay. This is for the inside. I'm not doing the inside today. It's another interior. Can't wait to use this one day. The ceramic. I don't really know how to use it too much. I don't want to mess nothing up. Oh, we got another wash and wax, so I'm gonna mix this with that. Get this done. Yep, so that's everything we're using. I'm about to go get a bucket, and we're gonna fill that up with some water. Be right back. Check if there's a bucket on the porch. I think I took the bucket off the porch. We're gonna white buckets. All right, I got a white bucket. And fill that with water. Dirty, but yeah, go ahead. Car wax and wash. A whole bunch for that hole. That wasn't really nothing, no way. Go ahead and recycle that. Back to the hustle. You got a bucket full of water now. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Go ahead and sit that down. We're gonna use these towels. Keep these microfiber ones for drying. Use these for washing. Tight fit. Oh, God. That's to get to the roof. And then, there you go, one sponge. Oh, we're about to get down to washing this car. Thing off. Rinsing it off real good. Good job, my Leah. See the soap? Get that again. Get that soap off. Now, let me spray the top real quick. Okay, go ahead. Finish spraying that. There you go. Getting it done. Completely dry. We're gonna use these for microfiber towels. Just dry it off enough. I don't got the big towels to really get it done. I thought I had a chamois. So that's my worst thing to wash is windows. I think I hit them up pretty good with this. This microfiber towel. Hit it up pretty good. I think I hit them up pretty good. I'll be over there skating. I got this new tire shine gel. I'm gonna try to dry these wheels off enough. They can't be wet. So first off, it came with an applicator and tire wet gel. Look at this. We clean the tires, we dry them off, press down, squeeze container to load, sponge with gel. Hold on. We did this. Oh yeah, they did. Woo! It smells good. I don't know how much to use. We shall see. Oh god, that's like stuff going like slime. Hold on. Am I doing this right? Maybe I put too much. Wow. Hey, how much you gotta use of this? This goes on like slime almost. Let's mix this or something. I've used this before. It's nice. That goes on thick. Kind of unpredictable. Thick right here. Oh, be careful. Nice shine. I know I gotta mix this. It's kind of too thick. Smells good though. What y'all think? It looks cool. I used some of this, and I actually sprayed some of this on to help smear it on there a little bit, because that stuff is like shampoo. No, it's like slime. Yeah, it goes on like slime. It's real thick. I'm hoping it's even. I can't even tell, but it's cool. I like it. It shine real good. Smells good too. Smells like bubblegum shampoo. Bubblegum shampoo. Let's go to the other way. Okay, the second wheel was a fail because I did not dry the wheel off. I think it's pretty good. It's not pretty good. I can't really tell because it's dark now. Okay, spray a little bit of this on there. Applicator. I lost it, so I'm glad. Oh yeah, that goes on real. I gotta practice with this. This ain't yeah, I need to practice some more with this stuff. They didn't come with no directions, so I just did it out now. Not how we do no directions. Well, my review on this stuff is good. Might gotta mix it with another tire shine because it's real thick. Stuff goes on real quick. Look at that. That's like lotion. So mix it with a tire shine, probably in the bottom. That's probably what I'm gonna do next time. Mix it in the bottom stuff. But that's my review. Got a clean truck. Everything's right. Corey for the Price family. Chilling with Corey. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.